Hey friends, it's Coach Tara, and I've got a clean squat press to show you today. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the kettlebell, we're going to clean it, and right away, even though the weight is on this side, this opposite side is working a whole lot to stabilize me. So I'm not doing this with the KB and the weight of it. So I've got to connect with the opposite side to stabilize the KB. So then from here, I'm going to take it into a squat. Use the leg drive now from the bottom and this whole left side of my body to press it back up, then pull it in, and then the other side. So I'm going to clean it. Now I'm going to be working this right side to stabilize. Squat it down and press. Pull it down and other side. Squat it and go wherever your squat is. If it's right here, that's fine. If it's right here, that's fine too. Connect with the back of the body to help press the kettlebell up. Then pull it down and here. Squat it down. Push your feet down through the ground as you press the kettlebell up. And just a few repetitions now. And think about keeping everything towards the midline. So you're pulling everything towards the center line. You don't want to get things away from your body too much. One more on each side. And last time. And what I mean by that too is in the press, you don't want the kettlebell to get out here. You want to keep the kettlebell right over your shoulder with the elbow pit near the ear or the upper arm near the ear. Then pulling it down. Great move.